Hey guys, so here's a tour of the Vintage Coach Watson bag. This is a crossbody bag. It's got a crossbody strap here, and the strap is adjustable, and the style number for Watson bags was 9981, and this specific bag was made in the US in the year 2000, and as you can see it's the color black. So I'll go ahead and show you a close-up now. So here's the front of the bag, here's the side, and then here's the back, and it does have a nice slip pocket here in the back. And here's the other side, and here's the bottom. And now I'll go ahead and open the bag so you can see the inside. So it's got a turn lock closure, here's the inside. And here's what the inside looks like. So as you can see, the bag is a little bit on the smaller side. So it would be a good smaller size bag if you want to carry something that's not super heavy. And then it does have a zip pocket back here, which you could also store something inside. And then here's the creed. And since it's hard to pick up on camera, I'll insert a photo of the creed as well so you can see it better. So that's the Watson bag. I also have it available in mahogany brown right now in the Etsy shop. So I'll go ahead and link the Etsy store below as well if you're interested in checking out the other Watson bag that I have. But I will of course link this one below as well. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.